without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Keisha Jabri, and today I will be showing you guys this gorgeous wig from Alipearl hair. I am so in love with the way that it looks, and honestly y'all, I was so nervous to do this color because it has been a while, but I'm not gonna lie, she's tea. Like I could see me wearing her for a couple days. Like this is very tea. And also you guys, with this unit I did not have to pluck or curl this unit whatsoever. Basically I took it straight out of the box and I put it right on my head and I just curled my bangs, and this was the finished product. Literally all of these curls that you guys see was already in the hair, so I didn't have to do much at all. So I'm so excited for y'all to get into this video, but before we do, let's go ahead and unbox because they sent some stuff in here and I want you guys to see. So this is the box. This is the Alipearl. It's gold, very cute. In the box I was gifted with an elastic band that I did not end up needing for this install because it was literally that quick that I didn't even need an elastic band, but you know, it's just what you use to tie down your lace. And then I was also gifted, what is this? I don't think I've ever got anything like this. What is this? Oh, so this is like a scarf to like tie your hair down, but it says Alipearl all over it. This is very cute. I can see me wearing this like as a headband. I honestly wouldn't even use this to tie my hair down. I would use this as a headband because it's that cute. Like, do y'all see this? Very cute and very chic. They also sent me a nice dust bag, so when I'm done with this unit I could just store it away and it's going to be nice and kept in this bag. And the last thing they sent was wig caps that I end up using in this video, so I did not have to worry about having my own wig caps. And I think, double check, I think that was everything inside of the box. So I hope you guys are excited to watch this video because I'm so excited for you guys to get into it. But before we do, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and also comment down below and let me know what y'all want to see next. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit and I'm lit, and if you subscribe then you can be lit too, and that's on what? That's on period. So yeah y'all, let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. Also you guys, make sure that you check my description box down below. I will have the link to this wig as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so y'all, this is the hair straight out of the box. As you guys can see, it is pre-curled and it is literally so shiny. Like I was skeptical, like, and then I saw this lace which was super light and the knots were small. I feel like it was a nice hairline on the front of the wig. Like I didn't feel like I needed to do much. And then I put it on my head and I'm like, okay, this is giving costume a lot. So I was like, you know what, let me just cut the lace and then rework with it. So that's what I ended up doing. And so here you can kind of still see that the lace is pretty light, and I'm just going to go in with some holding spray. This is the Even adhesive spray, and that's what I'm going to be using to adhere this unit to my head. And then you guys will see later on, to fix the color, I'm just going to add like a little bit of makeup, but I didn't want to glue this unit down because I was still pretty skeptical about it, and I'm like, what is going on here? I was still very unsure. So I'm like, I'm just gonna spray it down, which is still gonna give me like a good hold. If you guys did not know, you can also glue your wigs down with hairspray. It just won't last as long, but it definitely has a great hold on it. It's probably gonna last about 2 to 3 days. And then you guys can see here, I'm just like blow drying that, making sure everything is dry. And then afterwards, I'm gonna go in with some makeup, like I said. However, my initial thoughts on this hair is that it's like super shiny. It feels like baby doll hair, kind of how 613 feels. It feels very like waxy and like, I don't know how to explain it, but I wouldn't call this wig a bad wig. However, it kind of just gives me synthetic vibes, and I feel like it's the feel of the hair and the look, like how shiny it is. But once I got to going in and styling the hair, it did kind of grow on me because I'm like, okay, I can really work with this and make this look super nice. However, I am going to give you guys my initial thoughts, which is that this looks very much costume synthetic, but it comes together in the end. And I feel like if you are just looking for this color unit and at a great price, I feel like this would be a great option for you. It was super easy to put on. However, for the longevity of this hair, I cannot speak on because it does give that super waxy feel. So I'm not sure if that's going to make the hair hold up longer or if the lifespan of this hair will be shorter. However, I will say that these curls held up very, very well. So yeah, you guys will just see here, I'm just gonna go through and brush out the curls, and then I'm gonna curl up the bang. But that's pretty much gonna be it for this install. It was very, very easy to do, and even though I was skeptical at first, I am a fan of this wig. I do like her. She's very thick. It's a lot of hair on this wig, and it was very easy to curl. So other than the look and feel, like my initial, you know, thoughts on this unit, after a while it grew on me, and I would give her about an 8 out of 10. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I feel like it came out very, very cute, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch the process, and I will catch up with y'all at the end of the video. You guys, this is the finished product. I did not have to curl my hair at all. Like literally all of these curls down here is the curls that came with the unit, and I only pretty much curled my bangs the way that I wanted them to fall into my face. But y'all see this? Like this hair is so full. Like I know y'all can see how much hair this is. Like it's a lot of hair on this wig. It is not thin whatsoever. I just love the way that it came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. Also, you guys, all of the links and everything on this unit will be listed down below, as well as a coupon code, so do not forget to go down there. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.